Hi, I am Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description to join the trade faction. And now on with the show.
Okay.
All right.
Aussie CAD is minor wave chop. We are just choppy sideways. Nothing to do here because this already fired off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Really got to wait for this to go down and start thinking about coming back up before there's anything to even look at. Aussie, Singapore dollar, the same story. Minor wave top. We've been chopping sideways. This really needs to overextend down and start its traverse back to the upside. Aussie, US dollar. Pretty much the same story. Boy, everything's kind of the same story. Minor wave top. Chop sideways. Need to overextend and move back up. Euro, Singapore dollar. This is a minor wave bottom. I've been waiting for this one to reverse and go to the upside, but she keeps chopping sideways and down. So really nothing to do there yet. New Zealand, Canadian dollar, minor wave top, fired off here. Extended, but didn't overextend. It's pulling back quite a bit. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing, another inception signal fire off here, which would probably be okay to take, but that's going to have to pull back all the way up to like here, I think, before it goes down. So there might be an opportunity there. Here's the trade that I'm in. Oh my God, it's making money. Holy crap. Okay. This is a hyperextension to the downside. So we want it to go up, which it's doing right now. I'm targeting a 20 tick profit target here. So we'll see if I hit that. There is news at 4:45. So today's news was a CPI number from Canada, which didn't do anything. Empire State Manufacturing Index number, which was bad. That was for the US. That also didn't seem to affect anything. But there's a CPI number for New Zealand at 4:45. And I think that one's going to make it rip one direction or the other. I'm hoping to be out of this by then. But if I'm not, I'm going to have to roll the dice and see what the effect is on that.
Gotcha.
So that's what's going on with the charts. So, Dave, here's your question of the day.
All right.
Time frames. Which time frame do you prefer? Are there any other time frames that you would think about trading? What do you think?
Like times of the day?
No, like 15, 1 hour.
Oh, time frames. Got it.
Daily, monthly, weekly.
Maybe I'm biased towards 15.
Why?
I don't think I could do anything like daily. I don't think I could do daily. Just too slow for me. Anything lower, like 1 minute, 3 minutes, I'm not sure if I could trade that fast. It would probably be, I'm sure there are tons of more opportunity at the lower ones because you always see the YouTubers come on. Oh, I trade it 1 minute and it goes here and then I make all this money and everything else like that. And then I'm like, yeah, and you could, fast as you make the money, you could lose it because somebody sneezes. I don't think I could go fast. Maybe 5 minute. But I really haven't sat there behind the screen and put time in the chair. I'd have to put time in the chair again to try to figure it out. 15 is just a really nice number, at least for me.
Yeah. My position on that, I've traded all those different time frames.
Yeah.
I agree with you on the higher ones. I could probably do an hour.
Yeah.
Hour's not bad, but above that, it really is trading in slow motion, and I can't. There's just way less signals.
Mhm.
It's an appropriate time frame for someone who might have a full-time job. You know
Mm.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Where you only are going to get one or two signals a week, and you don't have the time to focus on the charts like we do.
Yeah.
So that's appropriate. When you go down to the lower time frames, like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute, the thing that I've found is I don't care what your system is,
Mm.
it's noisy, is the word I
Yeah.
want to use. It's very hard to find a system that will consistently work at that time frame.
Mm.
So when I see those videos on YouTube and stuff, I just completely call bullshit on them. I do not believe them at all. I've tried that. Even as good as the system is now, it doesn't work very well below 5 minutes, right?
Mm.
Because it's just not, stuff is just changing too fast
Yeah.
and it can't keep up. Maybe that's the time frame for the ADHD crowd, but not me.
Yeah. I
Um,
know. It's just, oh, I want to be done in 2 minutes. Well, that
right. Yeah,
occasionally
yeah.
happens.
It's like that whole mindset. Like, I want to get rich in a week. I want to be a millionaire in a week, and I'm going to trade 1 minute charts and do that.
Mhm.
That's just not going to happen. And I agree
Yeah.
with you. 15 is like almost perfect. It's like it's enough, but not too much.
Not for me to be able to get things done.
Right.
If as long as I'm setting timers and everything else like that,
Right.
that it works just fine.
Yeah. For me, it works really well. And my system has to get tuned to the time frame, and I don't feel like doing it again. I
Mm.
put so much effort into the 15 minutes and these six pairs. So I don't want to have to do that all over again at the 1 hour, at the 4 hour, at the 5 minute, at the whatever.
Mhm.
It's just a ton of work. This works and I'm happy with it and get enough signals to make a living. So I think that's the way to go. All right. That's all I need for today, Chief.
All right.
Good
Enjoy your
luck with
day.
your trading.